This makes me anxious.
Just had somebody come up to me and say, "Oh Dave, I watch you all the time." And then went, "Who's that woman you're with?"
She didn't say that at all. We don't need one now, Dave. Custom covers. These covers are absolutely amazing, but if you can't afford them, go and watch my video of how to make a cover for under 50 quid. These are more than 50 quid and they look much cooler. And they're probably better, but if you can't afford it. What are you going to say? From 317, yeah, so if you can't afford that, go and look at this video here. what, ready fitted in?
Yeah. I wouldn't be able to fit them then.
What, 2 hours?
Yeah.
Why don't you then?
You
You don't have to carry it.
Easy enough to get to the back door.
This looks like my mum's old caravan.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, with the kitchen at the back and a
the
bed
door with your
above. Oh, lovely. Absolutely love these bonnet covers to stop your bonnet getting ruined, and they're not that expensive. So for a crafter, for the Union jacket, it's 200 quid. So I know it's 200 quid, but that's cool, isn't it?
It's cheaper than a bonnet paint job.
And it looks so cool. Anyway, for a T5, for a plain one, it's like 85 quid. I mean, this is the show prices, but even still, that's very cool, very cool. And these are 354 trim store, and they do all sorts, and the covers for your toilet and everything. Oh, I like it. Do some good stuff. Very nice.
Yeah, so quick demo from the unusual way to get more space out of a T5 or T6. So there's a bed pod that goes out the back. It's based on a pivot in the corner. So you just lift up that and it rotates back in the van. So close the doors, drive off. While you're travelling, you can use that as a storage area while it's in the van. Park up and then just flip it back out. So you've effectively got a double bed, lengthways, half of it is hanging out the back, and it frees up all the space in the middle. And then the cupboards on the side are a little bit narrower in than normal, so you can get the extra width of a double bed in as well. Yeah, we'll see. It's they just hinge in, and that just hinges down flat. That's it. And then there's just simple when it's down, the simple locked catches on the outside, on the four corners.
And you are?
Andy from Camper Escapes.
Camper Escapes. Just looking at some of these folding bikes, and we're noticing that they're like 21 kilograms, did it say?
Yeah.
And I said, we've got a scooter we've been given to trial that you might not have seen yet because I don't know when we're doing the video, but that's 27 kilogram. And he said, but it doesn't take as much space. And I thought, no, it doesn't, because they're quite cumbersome, these electric bikes. So if any of you know of a...
Even though they fold in half, they're still bulky.
Yeah, they are bulky. If anyone knows of any make that's really lightweight and still does everything you want it to do, because you want
carry the misses.
Do you know? So yeah, anyway, let us know. Durable. Well, it's not for camping, is it?
No, that's what I mean.
Could be an old couple. How much is it? Let's have a look. Have a guess. What? Loads of men around the steering wheels. I think it must be a thing. That was good, but it does remind me that if you have a T5 or T6, if you go into the fridge while you've got your kettle going, careful you don't set your air alight, because I've done that once. And that brings us to the end of the 2026 Camper Mart. If you came and said hello, thank you. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And we don't often go to shows and stuff. Well, actually, we're doing a few this year, all sorts. But we often just share our travels in our camper van. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to check us out on the next video. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.